Hi, good evening. James Braithwaite here. I've just finished making my third table frame. Oh, hello, Dancer. This one's going to be a little different, as you can see. It's a little smaller, and it's going to have a little shelf underneath, so you can either put other pot plants underneath, or even, dare I say it, magazines. What's up with your face? I've run out of enough pallet planks to make the top, but you can see it's not going to be slatted. It's going to have it all the way up to make a complete tabletop. Then I can sand it off and polish it and paint it when I've done. So that's going to be hopefully my best yet.